Hi everyone, it's Amar Scintilla and welcome to my channel, and here is Yuki. She's our newest addition to the family. Today I want to show you how to make something very light and delicious. We're gonna make lettuce wraps. Here's the ingredients that you will need. I have a pound of ground pork. You can use ground chicken or ground chicken and shrimp combination, whatever you like. We have some seasoning, some soy sauce, oyster sauce, Maggi sauce, and some sesame oil. For the veggies, we've got cabbage, carrots, water chestnuts, spring onions, the white part and the green part, and then some garlic. And for the lettuce wrap, I have two types of lettuce. Put some oil in the wok. Let's turn the heat to medium. The oil is hot now, so I'm gonna drop in the garlic and the white part of the spring onions. Then I'm gonna add a pound of ground pork. Delicious. The filling for the lettuce wrap is all done. We can plate this now. This is the filling for the lettuce wrap. We have some sweet Thai chili sauce, some hoisin sauce, and then some lettuce to go with it. We have Boston lettuce and butter lettuce. So I'm gonna serve the lettuce wraps family style. Just put this on the table, and then you can fix your own lettuce wrap. So what you just do is take a lettuce, put in some filling, put some sauce in, and then you are all set. Let me prepare a couple of them. And there you go. Here's your lettuce wraps. Now let's taste the lettuce wrap. Just pick it up and then take a bite like a taco. This is absolutely delicious. It's light, it's savory, it's crunchy, and it's very satisfying. I hope this inspired you to make lettuce wraps at home. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!